Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use the Snapchat app as a complete beginner. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. So in order to use Snapchat, the first basic thing is we want to make sure we're actually downloaded as well as updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't downloaded, you can see, head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat. If you see a download button, simply tap on the download button in order to download it. I'm going to open Snapchat, and the next thing you want to make sure is basically that you are logged into your account. So simply make sure you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now in order to use Snapchat, I will also simply make sure to actually turn on the location services on my device, because there are some of the features on which you actually need to enable location. The first thing we are definitely going to check is how we can actually send or record a snap. So in order to take a snap, simply tap on the camera icon, and then here you can select your filters if you want to. If you want to actually simply take a simple photo, you could simply tap on it once. Once you tap on it, you could go ahead and select some of the text if you want to. If you want to actually add some effects and filters to it as per your wish as well. Now after you've done all of it, if you want to save this to camera roll, you can tap on the save button at the bottom left of the screen. If you want to send it as a story or send it as a snap to someone, you could simply tap on the send to button right at the bottom right, and go ahead and simply select any of the people to whom you actually want to send the snap to. Once you've actually sent the snap, that is basically how it works. It is going to disappear right after they view the snap. If you want to chat with someone, what you can do is from the bottom left, simply tap on this chat icon. Now here also you'll be able to see a list of your friends whom you have chat with, as well as people who have sent you snaps and whom you can send snaps as well. What you could also do is tap on the plus button on the top right hand side of the screen right over here. You could go ahead and simply tap on the accept button or quick add. Now these are basically some of the people whom actually Snapchat thinks has a mutual connection with you. Maybe they are listed on your contacts, or maybe they are a mutual connection with some of your friends whom you have actually already added as well. If you want to search for a particular friend, tap on the find friends button right over here as well. The next thing you can also do is the snap map feature. At the bottom left, you'll be able to see this location or this GPS icon, which is basically the snap map icon. Now here you'll also be able to see your location right over here. You could go ahead and actually simply select any of these right over here. You could tap on the settings icon on the top right hand side of the screen. You can actually disable your location if you don't want others to see it. You can actually enable the ghost mode option as well. You could go ahead and track your friends as you wish. The other thing I'm going to show you are some of your Bitmoji profiles interface. So tap on your Bitmoji profile on the top left. If you actually want to change it, you can basically see it. Now this number right over here basically is the snap score numbers. Now here you have a list of your friends, your spotlight. If you want to actually create a public profile, you could also tap on public profile. If you want to share a location, you can tap on share a location. You can also go ahead and simply change your cameo selfie if you wanted to. Now cameos basically works as a cartoon character as well. On the top right, if you tap on the gear icon, simply tap on it, you have the option to actually change the name, username, your birthday, your mobile number, your email, your password, your two-factor authentication, your partner connections, your notifications, your Bitmojis, your cameo selfies, your Shazam, your apps from Snap, your language, your voice scan. You can also actually manage, you can use contacts, you could actually customize your Bitmoji avatar, you could view your story, you could actually disable the quick add feature for yourself as well, your lenses, and many more. If you actually spot some kind of bugs and you want to actually report a Snapchat, you can tap on the I need help, or maybe I spotted a bug, any of the options which you think is convenient for you right on the screen. If you want to delete your account, now on the Snapchat app, to delete your account is actually quite tricky. For that, you can simply watch our other video where we show you how you can very easily delete your Snapchat account as well. The other thing you can do is also you can clear the cache files of Snapchat. You could also clear this conversation, you could clear your search history, you could clear your scan history, and many options. You could also actually change your astrological birthday, such as your horoscope or zodiac sign. If you want to log out, tap on the log out button at the bottom, tap on yes or no. If you want to save your information, go ahead and confirm the log out process as well. As you can basically see, if you want to switch accounts again, you could simply tap on the switch account button at the bottom right, go ahead and simply enter your details as well. Now this was basically a short guide on how you can actually use the Snapchat app. We hope this video was really helpful and gave you some insights. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.